Today's model is a model for you. Shirt. Lai chose the wide body pocket of the shirt. This shirt is when we wear wide pants. You will be half naked. Of Lai's shirt aside. The side dropped, then it'll give you a lean, slender figure. It's like this model that we are. Wear a shirt. It's made of soft fabric. You can also used with lion. Whether it's silk or cotton. The fabric is not elastic. So now we're going to go into the template design. Yes, this one will wear it over the butt. So it's the length of the shirt. I will take this model with a length of 65 millimeters of gasoline. And first, we're going to draw a line. This way my sisters will use it to break the part. Button. Then we'll stop the perpendicular line. This is called shoulder to shoulder. Shoulder is equal to shoulder divided by 2. Here, I'll have a sample chart. My sister will have to measure herself to assemble into the recipe. Here, my sample measurements are shoulder to shoulder, waist, butt, and waist length. I'm going to be 32 divided by 2, which is 16. I took a paragraph that is equal to 16. Down to 4. If I go to her, I will take her. Dividing the year is equal to 30. 5 is equal to 6. I took it by 6. I connected in. If you lower your chest here, you will divide it by cho. 5 years for ba. Chest is 80 divided by 5 plus ba, I get 18. Down is 18. And then we put up a perpendicular line. Then across the chest, I'll be the chest. Divide 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22, which is 22. And from up here I'm going to put the number b5 here. Here is the part. If you lower your waist, I will measure it on your body. And then we'll build a perpendicular line. We'll get the waist back. Divide by 4 plus 2 by 64 divided by 4 plus 2. The 18 I took was 18. And then we're going to take the ass. Divide by 4 plus 1 is equal to 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. Taking a paragraph is equal to 2. I connected in. Boobs through waist through ass. And this ass, this line I just added. If you add 10 more gas, you will get it. It starts with 10 gasoline. Then I'll divide this into 3 equal parts. I connected in. Then you split this in half. We'll draw the rest. Elected. Here I go up 0.5, I hit down 0.5. I will hit the part. Thousands of lie pregnant here. And then we build a perpendicular line. Back into 2 petrol split in half. Split in 2 again. I can turn the armpit. Then she's here, we're down to 6 millimeters of gas. Split in 2. Split in 2 again. I can draw the collar. After you've painted the body first, then we'll continue to draw for the body. From here I will be to stars. Connect in. So this 7 dot doesn't drop a gas. For the part. Chest torso after dropping a petrol but that butt torso then after. We'll get some gas. Let's connect this road here. Then, from this path, you can bend the towel. Back to, we'll get the body. There is a bag on this one, ladies. Let me see this bag. Here they draw the high pocket or the low pocket. This bag will be in the same place. It's on that chest right here. Then we'll draw a bag. From here you measure in. Then we take the mouth of the bag. Here you get 10 or 11. For example, I would take 10. Then you build a perpendicular line down. This right angle of mine is going to be 11. Then we'll get the pocket position here. And now we're going to cut Arabic. There is no seam here, ladies. You leave the seams when we make the pattern. And here's the back. It will not have a ring. So I'm going to break the edges of this button indefinitely. Well, we'll go through the body later. Haha. After that, we'll cut the red line. And the first one is we're going to cut the blue line. Here you can cut to parts. Body together. I also cut this line. And now the back body. Then we don't have a wedge. VI nut so is. You're going to cut the VI nut. Leave. Ha, we left the beautiful road when hiding. Then we'll get the back body. But remember that the body behind it will be smaller than the body petrol before. Centimeter chest. So I dropped a millimeter of gas. This will be the back. Body later the sister multiplies for a folded cloth. Then the next body, now the first body. First you will break this into a gas. And then break the splint in. Then we'll cut this neck. Let's go. Over here. And the buttocks behind it will be smaller than the buttocks before. As front is smaller than as back, so I cut out some gas. And so we'll get the body first of the shirt. You can see the front of the shirt. With this previous body, ladies, keep drawing for the hand. By that, we're going to measure for the armpit part. Here I put the ruler and here I measure. Here I measured my armpit line as 20. For the body first. No SAO. I also measured 20. You will have the long arm, both front and back. I'll take the long arm here. There's always a 55. I drop the set multiplier over the year of gasoline. You make a perpendicular line. Then from up here, I'm going to take down a piece of the chest. Divide by 10 plus by 5. Your chest is 80 divided by 10, and for 5, it's equal to 13. From top to bottom is 13. Make a perpendicular line. And you're going to take 20 plus 20. 40 you divide by 2 is equal to 20. Then we'll put the ruler at the end of 20. Top point. It's not split in two. I can draw the armpit ring. Then under this section, I'll take 11. I connected the underarm. Divided in half. Just the hands, and this will be the buttocks. And if it's the back of the tree, we'll split it in half. Ha! Come up here, it's 11. Now you're going to cut the arm. Let's sew the sleeves. Now I cut the hand. You will get the sleeve. You will cut this part separately. And now the last one is the old one. I will measure it directly on the body. I measured the back necklace by 10. My previous measurement was 13. Then you'll put it in. Then cross the line. Give me a line. Ten plus 13 is 23. 10 plus 13 is equal to 23. I split this part of you into one. Split in two. Then you can put this up right here. I've got 2.5 inches here. Then, from here, I'm on 5 gas. Split it in two. In this part, you build a corner. And then we'll draw her legs. I'll take 3.5 inches in my neck. 3.5 inches here is. That 2 by 2 we'll get the collar. I cut the collar. Now I want to connect this part. Then you'll get the old part. I will have neck legs and neck leaves. I folded it. Then you'll get the same shirt collar pattern. And so I just shared. Finished for my sisters. The way we do it. For the long sleeve shirt. Have neck. Yes, there is a bag. You look at the model again. Share today. This is the old part. Then you have something that you don't know or understand? Then I'll leave a comment below. I'll see the comments and respond when you see the comments. And I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.